So I'm gonna unbox this that I got. And the next couple of days, parts wise, are gonna be pretty interesting because I got quite a bit of stuff. So this right here is a new PCB. I got all the hoses. Granted, I'm eventually going to do a catch can setup, but for now I'm just going to run the OEM style. So yeah, that's it for right now. So I ordered Arp Headstuds 0.140 head gasket and S52 cams. I'm going to go on Arcade Tunes and order my tune, and then yeah, so I'm gonna be getting all this stuff tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. And then the tune, I'm not sure how long the tune takes. It probably doesn't take too long. Plus, they're in New York and New Jersey, which isn't far. So I'm sure I just have to tell them what mods I have, and then they just program everything, and then I upload it and call it that. So my car should be fine after that. But yeah, I also have to get spark plugs and a couple other little things and a couple little tools. And yeah, so I'm basically just updating you guys because I don't really have anything to upload because I can't use the car because it's not really running right because I have a bad vac leak because of that and the misfire. And oh yeah, I also got coil packs which are coming as well. Forgot to mention that. So yeah, and I got OEM coil packs so that are in really good condition as it seems. So yeah, once I install all those things with Master Mechanic Lauren, shout out to you, bro. Gonna have the car running good. Got to install the exhaust as well with the O2 sensor. I'm probably gonna do all that, and then the car is gonna sound and run good. Gotta grab my front suspension components like the rack spacer thingy, I think it's called, or the control arm spacer, whatever, and then the new arms and bushings, and then that should be it. Then I should be able to do the alignment, and then after that I should be all set. I'm not gonna spend any more money on the car for a while. I'm going to recuperate funds, sell the spare parts, and build funds, and then I'm going to boost it. The reason I'm not boosting it yet is because I want to do all the mods that I'm getting and then drive the car, see how I like the power band and everything like that, and then decide supercharger, if I like the way it drives, you know, like the power band and the acceleration and the feel of the car, then I'll supercharge it because I'll enhance the overall feel of the car, because the supercharger is the car just up, like, you know, it's a consistent power band all the way up. And then turbo is like, you know, calm, and then you get, you know, with a smaller turbo or a quicker spooling turbo, it's like regular driving. Then, you know, 3,500 RPM, kick in the pants, and you just launches yourself off. And I don't know if I want that, but, you know, I may just do the supercharger route and then maybe get like a flex fuel kit kind of thing, or like E86. I don't know. I'm kind of leaning towards like the supercharger because, as you guys know, I kind of want a 135i like later on, maybe next year. So I don't know. I guess you guys will just have to stick around and see what I decide to do. And yeah, if you guys want to support the channel, I don't care to do like the free money thing unless people want to do that, but that's not me. I don't really ask for free stuff. But, you know, this vintage Gucci bag is for sale. Yeah, $350 your best offer. I'll probably just put my eBay link down in the description. And I also have a pink pair of Japan release only 58 Bright Street Reeboks. It's a sample. I'll show you guys in a second. These sneakers right here, never worn. I know the uppers, they look like they worn, but that's just how the suede is. So and you can see the bottom. Brand new. There's a Reebok factory near me, and sometimes, for some reason, the employees get rid of samples, and sometimes I'm fortunate enough to get some of the cool stuff, and this is one of them. I've had plenty of sample Reebok sneakers, and this is one of the many. A couple times I gave some to my sister because she has the sample shoe size in women. Lucky her. Sample shoe size for men is 9, and they don't really fit me unless they're the larger fitting shoes. So yeah, if anybody's interested, I'll leave my description. These are for $150 your best offer. I saw one pair on Yahoo Auction for $250. So yeah, and I'm really flexible in the price, and that's $150 shipped. So yeah.